Want faster internet or better privacy on Windows 11? Changing your DNS settings can help. Here's how to do it in under 2 minutes. Click the Start menu, type Network Settings, and open Network and Internet Settings. Then choose your connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Scroll down and click Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. In the pop-up window, change the setting to Manual. Enable IPv4 and enter your preferred DNS servers. For example, Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. You can also use others like Quad9 or OpenDNS. Click Save and close the window. Your DNS is now active. No restart required. To check if it worked, open a browser and visit dnsleaktest.com or 1.1.1.1./help. You'll see which DNS you're using. Changing DNS can improve speed, unblock websites, and even boost privacy, especially if you're using public Wi-Fi. That's how to change DNS on Windows 11. Like and follow for more tech tweaks that make a real difference.